Hi there, welcome to my channel. I had submitted my site for Adsense approval and it was rejected because of site behavior navigation menu. The reasons mentioned in there are false claims of downloadable or streaming content, linking to content that does not exist, redirecting users to irrelevant and or misleading web pages, text on page unrelated to the topic and or business model of the website. I will take you to my site and let's check where is the exact problem. This is my beautiful site, and if you have a glance, then you will not find any problem anywhere in the site. Fine, let's check the 4 problems one by one. False claims of downloadable or streaming content, that is the reason number 1. Fine, let's check the 4 problems one by one. False claim of downloadable or streaming content. Well, check the site. The navigation menu does not have any menu that says to download. Let me open the blog post to check if there is anything more. Well, there is no such link, and so downloadable links are violation and against Google AdSense policy. So the next point, linking to content that does not exist. So let's go back again to the site and check the next article post. I don't see anything wrong in there because I have not put any links anywhere. By the way, before making this video for you, I checked everything one by one. So this part is clear. Now we will check the third point, redirecting users to irrelevant and or misleading web pages. So we will check this one also. I will click on all the menu links and we will see how these menus open and where does they take the visitors. If we see the menu links are perfectly done. Now we will check the final point, text on a page unrelated to the topic and or business model of the website. It means the text of the link that is given is not related to the topic or I am trying to do or promote business like giving links to my own site or any other site, and that link is like creating a backlink. Let me click to the blog menu one more time and see if there are any such links anywhere in the post. Now I will check in the home page and the links in there. Check the first link. No problem. The next link, the famous Kim Kardashian. No problem there, it's fine. Let's check this one now. Let's check the below link first, that is also working fine. We will check this link in blue. And here we go, wrong link. In fact, this is the third point, that is redirecting users to irrelevant and or misleading web pages. And also the fourth point, that is text on a page unrelated to the topic and or business model of the website. Now I will go to my home page and remove the link. So let's do that now. First I will remove the link and then also change the title from blue to black so that the AdSense approver does not get confused again. Let's update now. Okay. That looks fine. And now let me submit that for review. Let's wait for a few days and I'm sure that site will be approved for sure. And the very next day I got this good news. Your site is now ready to show AdSense ads. Well, who does not like to see or receive such important email? You can reconfirm the date and then this email was received. So I have shown you in this video all that one needs to check in case of site behavior navigation menu. Well, thank you for watching this video. You take care and let's see you soon with another valuable video. Learn with Albert Pinto. Bye-bye.